Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the Porsche Macan on a 14 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with those black alloy wheels and tinted windows. I'm going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle. First of all, the tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key or the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have those 4 tailpipes, the tow bar, reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, which you can increase by folding down any or all of those 3 rear seats should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, first of all, we have the speedometer. The total miles of the car, they are 72,083. Over on the right-hand side, we have the satellite navigation being displayed currently. I say currently because you can change that information for various different things using controls on the steering wheel, which we'll come to in just a moment. We have the rev counter, the digital readout for the speedometer, and it will show you what gear we're in the center. So it's an automatic. We are in park currently, of course. If we back out to the steering wheel, over on this right hand side is the button that changes information that we were running through just a moment ago. We have the minus and plus pedal so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. We have cruise control, phone controls as well. And then into the center, the main screen for the car. So we have physical buttons below, as you can see, but essentially it does become touchscreen as well. So if I press these, we have our satellite navigation. We can look at the map, which is, as you can see, a nice clear color display. We can pair our phone, of course. We can then answer and end phone calls once we've paired the phone up, of course. We have the radio. So this car's got AM, FM, and DAB. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do so under the media heading. Nothing is connected at the moment, but you can see the different ways in which you can listen to your own music. Working our way down from that, we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, in front of which we have our hazard warning lights. We have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature, which they appear in these windows. It's a little hard to see because of the light. Fan speed up and down for the driver, fan speed up and down for the passenger as well. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again. We've got our heated rear screen, downhill brake control, hazard warning lights. You can recirculate the air that's in the car as well. And then just a tiny bit below that, we can also put the system into auto. So the car will take full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air, which you can change here. It will take control of those for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for ahead of time. We've also got a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings. Same over here for the passenger side. We have an electronic handbrake. We have stop and start, which you can turn off. This car's designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. And on the left side, you can make adjustments. You can put the vehicle in sport. You can adjust the suspension, for example, traction control, all from there. We've also got a 12-volt charging socket as well. The last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof. So first of all, there is a sun blind, which will open all the way to the back of those rear seats. And as you can see, that lets in a huge amount of extra light to this cabin area, but you can also open this front section as a full sliding sunroof as well. The last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork we have for the car. So you can see the V5 registration document there. Lots of service paperwork underneath there. We've also got the envelope that contains the spare key. So there are 2 keys in total for this car. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.